Alright, so it is now Monday, the first day, I guess, of this block of devlog. Finished on my stream for today, was working on the Discord script. So close, I'm so close to being able to run the example program I have. I think I'm on tuples right now. The tuples aren't quite working correctly. It's like the array index accessor bit, but at any rate, that was a stream. Went pretty well, so again, close to the example. Earlier today, and I guess it was yesterday, where I kind of left off the last devlog, was yesterday I was working, started off with the sports score bot, was progressing towards making it be ready to be put into live production. I'm currently running right now. It's only had 2 errors, but they're minor errors. It's been running just fine. We're gonna find out today, so I think I'll keep running this overnight through tomorrow, and maybe this weekend or something like that, I'll be ready to push this into production. Fingers crossed it's all going good, but that's going to be a fun process when I get to that. But beyond that, I just start my one other project that I'm doing right now, which is the beginnings of my third person IRL living. I don't know how to explain. It's just like being in third person. The goal or the concept is gonna be we're gonna be wearing a VR headset of some sorts. There's gonna be a camera going off back of you, and you're gonna be kind of moving around and being like you're seeing yourself in the third person. So it's kind of where I'm going with that. So I began the initial work of that. I've got the arm mounts for it. I got the camera already. Using my Raspberry Pi action camera project for this. So getting there. It's coming along pretty nicely for initial starts. So yeah, so that's the devlog today. I'm gonna start editing the devlog that's gonna go out this Wednesday. And then get some sleep, and yeah, so those are my updates for today. Okay, it is Tuesday now. I've been playing around with the third person project of VR third person. I don't know what to call it right now, but I've been playing around with it. I'm right now trying to work with getting the feed from the camera to the phone, and that'll be in the VR headset, and trying to figure out how that's going to work. And I'm trying to figure out the right arguments to get basically real-time video transmission, because the biggest thing about this is it needs to be real-time video, or near real-time, so kind of sub half a millisecond for sure. Half a millisecond. Sub half a second for sure. Anything above that, definitely not. So I would prefer it to be a few, maybe like 100, 200, 300 milliseconds. I just cannot get it to there. I cannot get anything sub a second. The stuff I have gotten sub a second just has not worked cleanly enough. I'm trying everything I can here, but I can't get it. So I guess I'll be taking a break from this right now. I need to finish up editing the video for tomorrow morning, the devlog that's going to go out tomorrow morning, and finish editing that, and then try and think of another approach to do this. But this is testing me here. Just so close. But yeah, so finished up my short stream for the day. Today we were mainly getting the Raspberry Pi camera for the third person view project working to go into full screen. Apparently it's built into that web viewer. I just didn't know about it, but tweaked around the settings and got that working to go to full screen. So hopefully it's all ready to go for the actual kind of demo project of it. And then beyond that, we're working on an actual Raspberry Pi action camera, cleaning up the UI and getting the actual settings to save, and then starting on audio and trying to get the audio to work with this thing here, this I2S microphone from Adafruit. I can't get the drivers to install. Apparently missing my headers for the miscellaneous headers on the Raspberry. I don't know what's happening, so I'm probably gonna end up getting a fresh OS installed onto it and going that way. But that was the extent of my stream, so now I'm gonna take a break, hang out for a bit, and then come back a little later and kind of get everything assembled to get the demo for the third person view ready for tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, so I think the days have gotten away from me. I remember I think the last video was on Saturday. It's now Monday. Sunday was spent working on a personal or on a separate project, as well as doing some work on this. Actually, this was Saturday night. Saturday night, I decided to just push the update I was working on, just kind of go for it. I spent 2 hours or so late at night after the games had ended and pushed this update out, did all that back end work in the live production server, so it is out, it's all working. That went pretty well, so I'm happy with that. It's been fixing some bugs along the way, but overall it's been pretty good going so far. And also on Sunday, I then worked on the IRL VR headset camera setup thingy. I got it here. It's very kind of weird. There's the Google Cardboard there. It's all the hockey helmets. It's an interesting setup. Let's just say it didn't go the best. The Google Cardboard kind of was the downfall of this whole thing. But yeah. So then I can start editing the video for it. I just finished my stream for today. Was working on Sports Scorebot. That's why it's in front of me here. I was working on this. Making some updates, small things like this, making this loop around, adding this, and then redoing all the pages for this to be kind of more global and not be re-rendered each page when you switch a page and whatnot. Some more cosmetic improvements and whatnot. Yeah, so now I don't. I need to. I have the script. The script is done for the video for Wednesday. I still need to do all the reading of this for the voiceover and then actually edit everything together and add all the animations and all that. So I'm thinking right now I'm probably not going to get it done for Wednesday, unfortunately. I don't think tonight I can't do the voiceover right now. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it tomorrow. So unfortunately it's not looking like I'm going to be able to get this done for Wednesday, but it should be done before the weekend. So it'll just be a delayed video this week. Oh well, sorry. I try my best, but crunch time came to getting to get done time, so yeah, hopefully I should be able to get done though before Londare, which is this weekend, this Friday. So yeah, this video will probably end before Sunday. It'll probably end Thursday or Friday, and then I'll do a separate video for Londare itself. So yeah, but again, these days are flying and I'm like losing track of them. So anyways, on to the next day. Alrighty, so yesterday and today were basically just me scrambling to get this video finished because it is now Thursday. I am a day late on getting this video out. I need to finish this up, so I'm currently finishing it up. I am doing my last preview view of it and also getting it up on YouTube, so hopefully it'll be out soon. And I'm just gonna kind of release it as I finish it. So this will be again out soon. I'm gonna call this devlog here because I'm gonna call this devlog here because tomorrow starts Let 'em Dare, and I'm going to be doing a separate devlog for that to cover tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. So the 3 days of Let 'em Dare that I cover essentially. And so I feel like it's gonna be kind of redundant to cover it in this devlog, but also in a separate video. So I'm just gonna call this one here. This devlog is done here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And again, watch out for the Let 'em Dare 48 devlog that'll come out after it. So by the time this is done, I'll have already finished Let 'em Dare 48. I'll be streaming this live on Twitch. But again, it's already completed by the time this video comes out. So anyways, stay tuned for that. It'll be coming out I'll probably have the time lapse for later in this week, or maybe even by this point. But then I'll actually have the full devlog next week, so next Wednesday's video. But at any rate, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.